The Golden Rules of Life by Jordan Peterson. Rule number 1. Stand up straight with your shoulders back. Confidence in posture matters. Rule number 2. Treat yourself like someone you are responsible for helping. Prioritize self-care. Rule number 3. Make friends with people who want the best for you. Surround yourself with positivity. Rule number 4. Compare yourself to yesterday, not others. Focus on personal progress. Rule number 5. Don't make yourself dependent. Set boundaries for a good relationship. Rule number 6. Set your house in perfect order before you criticize the world. Personal responsibility comes first. Rule number 7. Pursue what is meaningful, not what is expedient. Prioritize purpose over convenience. Rule number 8. Tell the truth, or at least don't lie. Honesty builds trust. Rule number 9. Assume that the person you are listening to might know something you don't. Everyone has something to offer. Rule number 10. Be precise in your speech. Precision prevents misunderstandings. Rule number 11. Do not bother children when they're skateboarding. Growth comes from challenges. Rule number 12. Pet a cat when you encounter one on the street. Appreciate life's small pleasures.